Holiday gatherings. Well, they can be even more of a minefield when people want to talk about you having received a diagnosis of breast cancer. When I was publicly outed, I had made the decision that I wasn't going to tell anyone. And all of a sudden, I found myself in a room of 100 women that now know. And I was backed into a corner, and I had to handle this with grace, spur of the moment. And at the time, I had the realization that within an hour of leaving this room, the small, tiny town that I lived in, everybody was going to know. And that was the last thing that I wanted. So for starters, I have 100 women that all either have questions, have advice, know somebody, and I have to navigate all these conversations at the same time, not being prepared at all. I was just hit with this when I least expected it. So if you want to find out how I was able to have these conversations in a way that made everybody feel, well, everybody including me, feel understood, feel uplifted and empowered, then join me for this intimate free workshop. You can register at happyhealthyageless.com/workshop. And I'll put that in the comments as well as the date and time. And I look forward to seeing you there.